Chikaldhara is a famous city in the Amravati district in the Vidarbha region of the state of Maharashtra. It is a beautiful hill station with wildlife, lakes, waterfalls, and viewpoints. This city is named after Kichaka. There are several valleys in the region that features dense forest with long trees. This city is located at an altitude of 1118 meters above sea level and it also the only coffee growing area in the state of Maharashtra. Furthermore, Chikaldhara is the only name of a plateau situated in the cotton growing area. According to the legend, this is a place where Lord Krishna carried his wife Rukmani. This hilly area was discovered in 1823 by Captain Robinson of the Hyderabad Regiment. The region reminded him of England, especially during the autumn months of September and October, when trees' leaves covered the ground. He proposed to make this place as a seat of a government of India. Some of the villages located near Chikaldhara are Badnapur, Morgad, Salona, Semado, Sonapur, and Devgaon. Chikaldhara is famous for the Milghat Tiger Project, Panchabal Point, Devi Point, Bhimkund Point, Mozari Point, Kolkas National Park, and the Semado Lake. It is located approx 1100 meters above the main sea level, which gives a climate to the destination from that of the remaining areas in the region. Chikaldhara is the only hill resort in the Vidarbha region that has a cool breezy weather, which is ideal for a summer getaway. The best time to travel to Chikaldhara is between October and June. This place is close to Chikaldhara hill station and easily accessible by road. Bhimkund Kichakdhara holds mythological significance that attracts tourists, especially Hindu pilgrims year around. This is a place where Bhima killed Kichaka and threw his body into the valley. Named Kichakdhara, Bhimkund is a place where Bhima took bath after killing Kichaka. This is one of the famous and important points of the area. There is a tar road from the Bir Lake towards this valley from the north side. You can spot coffee plantation on the way while you go towards the point. This is at 4 km from Bir Lake. There is a very deep valley. The five hills edges are connected naturally, which has also connected all the valleys, and you can hear at least 5 reflected sounds when you give out a voice. It is way too prominent here. That's why this point is known as 5 Echo Point or commonly called Punchable Point. Actually, one can hear 4 written voices. The fifth one is not clearly heard.